in this video we'll work with the badges. Badges will actually give you an additional information along with the label. For example, if you have created a label with the name inbox, with the title inbox over it, you may want to show like how many unread mails are there, as you have got that in your real life as well. Alright, like inbox 30 means there are 30 new unread mails. So for showing such informations over the label, you can use badges out there along with the span tag. So let's see how to start working with the badges now. So now in this execution of badges, what I have done is I have taken the two different examples with the same information. Here on the top in the first UL, what I have done, I have used a navigation, as we have already covered in the navigation tools. There is called navigation pills. So we have used that one in order to create something called like a bar. Alright, not exactly, but yes, something like. So inside this you can see there are three list items. One is for message, one is for the profile, and one is for the home. So if I want to put one badge as well along with these hyperlinks or list items, what I'll do is here right after this I will use a span, and inside this span I will use this badge information. As here you can see, here I have used class badge. So this span will be looking like a badge, and here I have given a fixed number, hard-coded value 42. Using jQuery and Ajax, you can actually work with the numbers, with these numbers dynamically as well. So what I have done, this is the list item active, so you will find it selected. After that there is home, and after home I want this 42, this number, to be displayed as a badge. So here right after this home I put this span, and then I put the class badge so that it will make it look like a badge itself. Now no badge for this profile, but when again I'll come for messages, I will use this 3. Alright, so basically what it will do, it will show the span with the number 3 as a badge. So here you will find all these three elements horizontally. Now if you want to make them all vertical, here I will not use any navigation pills, rather I will use it on this tagged format. Alright, so basically what I have done here, it's the same thing. First I want home, then profile, and then message with the same number 42 and 3, but something is bit different. Along with this span, when I'm using the class badge, I said pull right. So you can actually observe here like home is written after 42, but since I am pulling this 42 on the right hand side as a badge, so the output will be like home, then after that you will find 42, that is on the right hand side of this home. Very similarly here as well I have used pull right, so after messages you will get number 3 on the right hand side. So let's execute and see how this output is looking like. So here you can see 42 for home, 3 for message. Since it was active, it is highlighted blue. Similarly here we make it stacked, but again it is pull right. Alright, so basically when I'm taking it as a stack, I want it on the extreme right, not just adjacent. So that's why I marked a class pull right. So here on home as well as on the message you will get that badge on the right hand side. So this is how you can start using a span tag and pass the class badge, and you can use that as a badge with your links and menus.